Hey guys, it's me, Damien here today. Today, I got something special. I got myself a LEATHERMAN jacket today.
Oh, he sure did, yeah.
I'm quiet because, well, I've been quiet for 4 years.
I know, right? Totally.
And today, for me to celebrate that, I'm be singing one of my favorite songs called High Hopes by Panic at the Disco.
Oh, yeah, it makes me dance.
No dancing, please.
Oh, come on, okay.
Let's get it.
Sure thing. Woo! Oh, yeah.
High hopes on living. Shake my soul. It has come my vision. Points at high hopes. The high hopes are living. Get the hopes are living. I'm gonna be the one living. Points at high hopes. Mom said,
Oh. Pretty cool, huh?
Thank you for listening to me sing High Hopes by Panic at the Disco.
Oh, yeah.
Hashtag LEATHERMAN jacket and hashtag High Hopes.
Oh, yeah.
No, please.
Sorry. Sorry.
No.
Okay, okay.